Hi, this is Gill Woods. I was president of NAR in 1984. Seems impossible it was that long ago. But I've been a member of the Mass Association now for over 60 years, and I've been active in leadership in the organization for actually more than 50 years. It certainly has changed. It's changed an incredible amount in that amount of time. Milt Shaw was the one that over the years got me active in the Mass Association and ultimately in the National Association leadership. He was the example that Milt set in mentoring many of us at MAR is what we used to set up the Milton H. Shaw Distinguished Service Award, which gives out an award every year and has done that for the past 40 years to someone who has donated their time above and beyond what should be expected to the state association. The thing that I'm most proud of is something that probably most people don't know anything about, and they didn't know anything about even when I did it. That is that Milt Shaw, besides being the EVP for the organization, was also a very accomplished author. And he was the person that wrote the handbook for salesmen and brokers taking the license in the state of Massachusetts. For many years, he donated all the revenue that he received from this to the state association and took nothing for himself. During the year that I was president, I went to the board of directors and said, look, Milt has done this for years and years, and it's not fair for him to spend his time that he has spent and not be rewarded at all for what he's done. And so I asked the board to change the rules that they had set up years and years before, and to allow Milt to keep the revenue that was derived from his handbook, which became, frankly, the Bible of people wanting to pass the salesman's license or the broker's license in the state of Massachusetts. They agreed to do that. That allowed Milt to purchase a home after he retired, the home of his dreams, which was on the bank of the York River in York, Maine. And he spent the rest of his days on the river he loved. Congratulations for being an organization that has lasted 100 years. Many organizations can't say that. Happy 100th anniversary.